Hi students, in this video I'm going to explain to you what a Lexile level is and how you can use it to figure out how well you read and how that relates to your grade level. So a Lexile level is basically a fancy way of saying your reading ability level. So when you log into Achieve 3000, you complete the level set test where they give you some short passages and they ask you questions based on those passages. Once you're finished that test, the Achieve 3000 program is able to estimate what your Lexile level is, what your reading ability is. One way to kind of wrap your head around what that number means is to think of how it relates to your grade level. So let's imagine that you are in 11th or 12th grade. So let's look at this chart I have up on the board. This is College and Career Readiness Lexile Level chart. So you can see it on the far left. You have a column that breaks everything down by grade. 11 and 12 is put together. You can see, some Lexile levels are considered not on track for a particular grade level. Some are considered on track. So if your Lexile level falls far below or approaches where you should be for your grade level, then you're still really not on track to be successful in college or in a career. If your Lexile level meets or exceeds for your grade level, then you're on track for college and career. That's how they've broken it down. So let's go down to the bottom of the chart and look at what they say your Lexile level should be if you are in 11th and 12th grade. So when you can take your level set test, you can go into Achieve, you can go into the Career Center, and you can see what your Lexile level is. It should not be a secret to you. If your Lexile level is 950 or below, then Achieve considers you to fall far below where you should be for your grade level. Okay, so if you're 950 or below, then you probably struggle with reading and with reading grade appropriate texts. So you would probably need some intervention and some further instruction to help you improve your reading level. If your Lexile level falls between 995 and 1180, then this is approaching where you should be for 11th and 12th grade. You're still not exactly where you should be. You probably find 11th and 12th grade text challenging, but you could probably still get your way through with some hard work. If you are approaching where you should be, then there's some hope that with some extra instruction, you can bring yourself up to where you should be for your grade level. If your Lexile level is between 1185 and 1385, then you are on track. You meet where you should be for 11th and 12th grade. So you can probably read 11th and 12th grade level texts with some level of success. And if your Lexile level is 1390 and above, then you are doing wonderful. You're probably reading at a college level. So that's really going to help set you up for success. So now I'm going to imagine that I have just taken the Lexile level test. Let's imagine that the Lexile level I received was a 1020. A 1020. So now I want to try to figure out, well, based on a 1020, what is my grade level equivalence to my reading? So really, I'm going to take a look at the part of the chart that says meets. And I'm going to see, where does 1020 fall in under? 1020 could be as low as 6th grade, because they say a 6th grade reading level is between a 925 and a 1070. Or I could be as high as, if I go down the chart, I could be as high as like beginning 8th grade. So if my Lexile level was a 1020, then we would say I fall between the 6th and 8th grade reading level, middle school reading level. If I was in middle school, then that's great. I'm doing fine. But like I said, if I was in high school, I would need to do some work, some further reading, some vocabulary studying, maybe get some help from the teacher in order to help me raise my level. So there you have it. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what a Lexile level really is and what it means. And now when you take your level set test and you take a look afterwards at your Lexile level, it gives you a better understanding of your own reading ability and, maybe what your strength is or what your weakness is. All right, thank you.